Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a thank you video. So I've reached a new milestone. We've now passed the 50,000 subscriber mark, which is not bad at all. So we're halfway through that 100,000 sub mark. That is interesting because at 100,000 subscribers, YouTube opens up other interesting aspects of the channel. So we're halfway there, and we're going quite fast actually. At 50,000, I'm growing by about three. Lately, been growing about 3 to 4,000 new subscribers every month, which is not bad at all for getting more people to gather around this channel. We're at almost 19 million views, which is not bad. It's really small compared to a lot of the channels that have hundreds of millions of views. But considering my efforts and all, it's not bad at all. And of course, I owe this all to you guys out there that are watching my videos every day and that subscribed and believe in what I do and the information that I provide here. Of course, my pledge to you as of today, November 12th, 2018, is to continue working on videos. And of course, we're almost in 2019. And after a very rough 2017, 2018 is not bad at all. And I hope that in 2019 we're going to continue on that roll and just enjoy more videos, more subscribers, and of course my pledge to you is to be there and have more videos throughout the new year of 2019 coming up. So thanks everybody, because without you this would not be possible. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for those that have subscribed. And we're at I was looking a little earlier, 50,460 subscribers exactly. So pretty cool. Thanks everybody.